Now what?
There are no more time extensions now, boys. 30 minutes to go.
30 minutes.
And I will not let them cross this river. They will not cross this river alive.
These battles are so fucking long. I have never ever before been on OP44. No idea this takes so long.
I got a Cromwell 11.
Say again, where?
It's gone now. It was running to the east side.
There's some movement on that hill if I'm not mistaken. Where I was barraging with high explosive. Not sure what that is. Actually, it could be just from the house.
Don't follow me, wait there. Look for 151 people. Dude, I need to check back with command if we need to retreat the fucking half tracks at the MSP.
Friedrich, can you hear me?
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Yeah, can you get somebody to retreat the MSP? Just get the,
Yeah, I
the
want
two
to ask you
MSPs
that.
south.
Dude, what the fuck, man? They just completely, like, our armor squad up there, the 981 and the 980. I don't know. No fire against the enemies whatsoever, no cover when I was digging it up. Jesus Christ. I'll get the half tracks moved. I don't know where my guys are though. They're all alive, I believe.
All right, just keep tell everybody down the point we're still holding that. We are not giving up the river.
Sorry, recall, listen.
We are not giving up the river. We are holding them at the river, and that is that.
Nola! Nola, break! Nola, stay here, please. Nola, hello, Nola, Jeff. Jeff to Nola. I need to ask, where's the map?
What?
Do we just need to drive the MSP to the map end or what?
Yeah, just drive it south until you can't see it on the map anymore.
I only want a few
Come.
people. I want 2 people in that building covering those windows.
Actually, Speedo.
What the fuck?
That's normal. That's normal. No. It was empty for 5 minutes. It automatically closed.
Because it was too long out of map.
Oh,
They
I
want to
just
complain
fucking-
that. Wittmann. Wittmann, the tank just blew up because it was too long.
No,
unmanned.
they know that. It's fine.
Echo, would you with MG?
Okay.
bunk.
Who has time? Who has time and has a brain? Anyone with a
there,
brain
like
and
in
time?
the building. It's not bad.
In the building?
Survivalist, can you help me out?
Building is in the building.
Copy that. Where are you?
Survivalist and Hans on me, double time.
On
Survivalist now
it.
in the blitz truck. Hans.
Is this a re? What the fuck? Hang on a minute. Why are all of you fuck?
I'm falling asleep.
We're almost. These assholes are beaten. They just don't know it yet.
Set. Okay, now what?
Engine on. We're gonna go to 10 o'clock. 4 to 10 o'clock. We're gonna go set up west of. There's another high ridge we can set up.
Movements 1 degree north, 700 meters.
1 degree north.
By the tree line.
Yeah, through this little patch of forest and then up to the left towards 11. Yep. You're going up this ridge. Yep, forward up this. Not the road, just straight forward, straight. Take us up to the top of this. Okay, rotate to 2 o'clock. A little bit more right, a little bit forward and right, a little bit forward and right. Okay. Once we are flat, you can hold. A little bit more. Hold here. Stop, stop. And that's a good spot.
Should I fire on that hill again with sandbags or whatever that is?
No. They're fighting, I think they're shooting at a tank right now. Oh, I've got a Sherman, actually. Gun to 1130. Sherman at 2 kilometers. Okay, 1130. Okay, Leto. There are, I guess, they're kind of like 2 or 3 trees at exactly 1130. And then between the 2 trees, there's like a small, kind of looks like a Sherman-sized gap. The Sherman is directly in the gap between those 2 trees, but he's like another kilometer. He's not on that ridge. He's behind by like a kilometer.
Okay, so I'm going 2
So give me a
kilometers.
go 2 kilometers with APH. Give me a shot. Oh, there's another one coming over the ridge too. Yeah. Yeah. Left. You need to go left about 2 minutes. You're shooting through the wrong gap. You got to shoot left a bit. That was past him. You need to come. You were about 200 meters high. Okay, they're moving. Hold fire. Hold fire. Go left of the far tree. Left of the tree. Not the gap. Left of the tree. They're moving. Hold fire for a second. They're How are we on ammo?
27 APHE, 15 APCR, 20 high explosive.
Okay, Mass says he's got a Firefly by him. I'm assuming it's at 11:30 behind the tree line from us. We won't be able to get a good shot.
Some infantry running over there.
Roger. Yep, I see him as well. That's probably the tank commander. Mass tank is damaged, so he's pulling back for a new one.
So it's friendly, right?
No, that is not friendly on that ridge. Go 11:30, that far ridge, that's enemy. Load HE actually, and we're gonna splash that bush. Let's go 400 meters far, that far hilltop. Left like 1 minute. Yeah, right around there. Let's go down to 300 meters. Maybe, yeah, 250 to 300. Okay, split the difference between those two. Reload APHE, hold fire, reload APHE. Tank commander on the ridge again, 11:30, just to the right of where your gun is pointed. Hold, yeah, he's running back into the trees. Yep, right there. I think that was just too high. You probably scared him, because that basically went right by his head by the looks of things. Alright, hold fire. Make sure we have APHE.
Yeah.
He's back again. He's to the right slightly. If you want to try and get him with an MG burst, he's to the right of that tree. Yeah, he's running around there.
He's not dead, damn it. Hope he at least got wounded from that.
Hold fire.
He's just constantly running around over there.
Yeah. Their tank has to be somewhere over there, because those are both tank room.
Yeah.
At least they look like tank room. You see that gun just
God
to
damn
the
it, a
look
loading
slightly
high
right,
explosive.
slightly right. Yeah, you see him just to the above the just
Yeah.
above the one beam of the bridge. It's short. You got one? Did you get both? I think you got both. Oh no, you got
Nah,
one at
one
least.
ran away.
One, you got one. The other one ran away.
Good enough.
Right. Well, we'll take one. It's one less assholes acting as a recon scout.
Yep. Oh shit, what was that?
Back us up. Engine on. Engine on reverse. Engine on reverse. Load APHE. Tank 1150. Above. Look at the bridge. Yeah. Look at the crossbar of the bridge. It's behind. Rotate right. We're gonna go back to the HQ. Rotate to 3, and then we're gonna go sit back on the HQ hill. Keep going right a bit more. Another towards 1. Yep, through this. Forward. Tree on your right. Go left
I
a
want
bit.
3 for this guy.
Oh,
We?
that'll-
Okay, we did. Stack.
can you back up a little bit?
Oh no.
Can you go back instead of forward?
Wow. This game sometimes,
Here,
man.
just get out. Just get out.
You got post scriptum.
Okay, get away from the tank. Get away from the.
How many sheets does it take to
All right,
flip
get
the
back in.
Panzer IV
Get back in.
sideways?
Yeah, get back. Back up and go right a bit. Yeah, try going right and then straight. Too far right. There you go. Straight forward now.
Ammo? Any intel on the enemy
Yep.
vehicles?
There's a firefight just to the east of the bridge that we're trying to go engage.
Okay.
And then they have a Sherman 75, but I don't know where that is. Rotate around 180 degrees. 180, 180.
Are we actually winning or losing right now?
And hold. Engine. Okay.
Oh,
Tank
that's
at
done,
11:30. 11:30.
Tank shell
Look
firing
above the
from,
bridge. Sorry,
north,
load
64
APHE.
degrees.
Right 5
64.
minutes.
64 degrees.
Right more.
Like
About
one-
there. Give me a
okay.
shot.
0
700
degrees,
meters.
264.
700.
Let me see. That doesn't sound good.
Okay, take it down to 600 and left a smidge.
Oh, vi-
Another round.
Gun.
Holy
I don't see
shit.
it.
Give me a round. Give me a
Go,
round.
go.
Just
this
fire.
is a fucking pain though, dude. Why did they get 30 seconds
Left.
every time?
Right. Sorry. Right 5 minutes. Or not right. Not 5. Yeah. There's a hit. That's a hit. That's a
That was
hit.
bounce.
Again when load. Again.
That was a solid.
Right
That
side.
hit the ground.
Aim right. He back up to the right.
Hit
Hold
the
fire.
ground again.
He's backed up. Yeah, he backed. That was the
I
75.
think he drove away to the west. I saw engine smoke left of where you were shooting earlier.
Yeah, I can't.
There's
He's behind
something
the ridge
else
though. We're
shooting
not gonna
further
get a shot.
right. Something else shooting further right. I can't give you the degrees, but I won't help you.
Smoke?
Yeah, I see a shot. It's behind the trees from us, I think.
It's a friendly tank.
That's probably the
engaging it.
Firefly. That's the Firefly, but
Could be.
because the one that one there was the 75 Sherman.
Dude, why did they get so much time? Like, why does this
The
scrim so
Austrians
long?
were firing.
More than
I don't
2
know.
fucking hours, and he gets fucking. They give them fucking time. Jeez.
Yeah, I need to talk to Ado because this is like ridiculous. Because I thought the max they could attack was 3, and they only
The
got to do
Austrians
4 if they
Exactly.
did 2 at the same time. And that would be fine. But like, oh
Exactly.
my god, is the Austrian's killing a tank right now? I think the Austrian's killing a tank.
Nice. I think they're crossing the eastern bridge, eastern pontoon soon, or eastern crossing. I don't think it's worth for a second respawn wave. That the Fallschirmjäger was fine when I was there. So was 930. We got our half track moving right now. I tell them to move up, but stay safe. Nah, it's not worth to move up right now, Arjun. We hold position.
Sad.
Yo, I see the enemy tank. It's behind the smokestack. Behind the smokestack of the house in front of us. They're moving back north. You can't see me if you reverse.
Behind smokestack, house in front of us. I'm looking.
Yeah, northeast that house. He drove right to left
the
of
flare?
that smokestack.
Right to
Yeah, by
left.
the
Okay,
flare,
so like
behind
back
that.
by the flare. Okay.
He should be behind the trees now. I just saw him drive back. Yeah, I could use the flare next time to tell
a
you the
flare.
area is. That would be smart, actually.
Later, you had APHE ready, right? Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
a dead tank. Look at that. Tank's burning up over there. That was the Ostman killed that tank.
Sick. What was
How many
it even?
Austrians did we lose?
No.
Should I extract your view? Just tell me. I'll try to get some view there.
It's okay. They killed the Firefly with the Ostwin.
Nice.
Firefly. Interesting.
How many tanks did we lose so far? We're still looking good, somewhat?
We've lost at least 3, I believe, possibly 4, but they've lost
Copy.
more than that. They've lost already. They've lost. I think that was the 3rd Firefly. So
Damn, not bad.
they definitely have lost. I think 6 tanks is my count.
I need to check back with the rule that nothing can cross the river, because you only told me that only fucking tanks can, and I told my guys. I don't know, dude. I don't understand why they got fucking killed.
I mean, on the bright side, the halfback isn't that hard to replace.
Still, it's a casualty we should never need to take.
Yeah.
If I would have known that earlier, I would have
Oh
just let
my!
it be
They
encircled.
called artillery on themselves. They
Why?
just killed
How?
6 of their own guys.
Oh my god. How did they?
They just killed
Pull
6
that
of their
off.
own guys.
Did you hear that,
8 of
guys?
their own guys.
Oh,
Eight of
bro.
their own guys.
They got 8 deaths due to friendly fire just now. They got 8.
8 kills with that arty strike from them. Oh my god.
Wait, did the enemies call that strike?
The enemy
Yes.
just called artillery on themselves. 8 casualties.
Wait,
Great
how do you
job.
see that then?
I think.
I don't know. I have
there's an
I have admin for some reason.
Oh,
That's
okay.
too funny. I'm not.
Really?
I don't think I'm supposed. That's too funny to not like react to. I'm sorry. 8 team kills from an arty strike.
Hey.
That's hilarious.
Wait, 18.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep,
18, not 8.
8. 8.
Can these guys respawn
8.
them?
Okay,
What
8.
the
I
I
would
mean,
be
I don't think they
absolutely
deserve
They're
to be
seriously
respawned.
trying to drag
if
the.
I heard 18.
Like, my guy
Yeah,
wasn't
it's 4
allowed to
minutes
respawn,
left.
but if they're allowed to respawn, I'm fucking raging, dude.
Yeah, like
No,
it's
we
their
weren't the-
mistake.
we weren't the clan that
It's their
actually shot
responsibility.
friendly.
I think we haven't killed any friendlies. It's a shit show,
I'm
dude. I think
very
they're on the
proud of
bridge.
you
I think
guys.
there's some other thing on the bridge. Could be friendly, I don't
Yeah,
know.
knowing us, we could probably do that.
The Osford is on the bridge, I think.
Just make sure you don't get on Friedrich's nerves, because then we'll lose our no team kills thing.
Dude, I'll fucking shoot you if you don't get off that fucking bunker like I told you 3 times. I swear.
It's fucking my.
Oh, can I go and sleep? Yes.
3 minutes you can.
If